American Express User Analysis by Group 64. This index provides a clear roadmap for our presentation and outlines what you can expect to see. Our team includes Jack Wind, Kelsey Moore, Chase Rosinski, Sinjin Hesse, and Jack Messer. Case overview. American Express tasked the customer acquisition team with uncovering the key drivers of customer attrition using data from both current and former clients. After cleaning the data set and defining key variables, our team conducted exploratory analysis in Tableau and built a linear probability model to identify the customer characteristics most strongly associated with attrition. This presentation summarizes our key insights and findings, providing actionable recommendations to support future retention strategies. Tableau data analysis. To provide some overview, the original dataset consists of 10,127 customer records across 21 variables, encompassing a mix of numerical and categorical data. Additionally, attached below is the link to our interactive Tableau page.
Graphic 1. Starting with our first visualization, we explored how transaction behavior and spending vary across different card types. On top, we see a bar graph showing the average number of transactions per card category. This helps us understand which cards are most frequently used. Gold card holders lead in transaction volume, suggesting higher engagement. The second graph focuses on average charge amount. Here, platinum cards show the higher spending, indicating premium customers who may be more valuable but more selective. A key feature of this graphic is the education level filter. By toggling between college-educated and non-college educated users, we can see how education influences card usage, which could be tied to broader financial behavior and retention trends. Graphic 2. Our second graphic investigates how average credit limits vary by gender and marital status. The data shows males consistently receive higher credit limits than females, regardless of marital status. This disparity could be a contributing factor to dissatisfaction among female cardholders, potentially influencing attrition. We also see significant differences across marital statuses, with single and married males receiving the highest credit limits. These patterns might point to underlying perceptions of creditworthiness that merit deeper investigation. Graphic 3. Finally, we examine the relationship between credit limits and attrition. This bar graph overlays credit limit data with the attrition rates by card type. The blue card stands out for having the largest gap, lower credit limits, and higher attrition, suggesting that users may feel undeserved or undervalued. Interestingly, platinum card holders also show the highest attrition rate despite having the highest credit limits. This could indicate that even high-spending users may leave if expectations tied to premium status aren't met. Together, these findings help us pinpoint which segments are at risk and why. Regression data overview. After generating dummy variables for key categorical features and removing 3,310 incomplete records, we finalized a clean dataset containing 6,817 complete observations. All 20 independent variables included in the regression model were statistically significant at the 10% level. The most impactful predictors of attrition were male, platinum, and married. Regression overview. In the process to get to this final model, many regression models were constructed, aiming to predict the probability of customer attrition, and we selected this one due to its predictive strength and interpretability. The model yielded an R-squared value of 0.3854, meaning that we are 38.54% of the way towards perfectly predicting the probability of customer attrition, and also had a standard error of 0.2861, meaning predictions of the probability of customer attrition made using the model are off by an average of 28.61 percentage points. The final model did have multiple regression violations, including nonlinear pattern issues, heteroscedasticity, and multicollinearity. However, no corrections were applied to the model to preserve its interpretability or because it was deemed not necessary or appropriate for the respective variables. There was no issues of endogeneity.
Now for the key takeaways. High spend, high retention. Customers with high transaction volumes are significantly less likely to attrite, highlighting the value of engaged spenders. Premium attrition risk. Platinum cardholders exhibit higher attrition rates, underscoring the importance of tailored strategies to retain premium clients. Gender disparity. Male customers are approximately 21 percentage points less likely to leave than female customers. This gap warrants deeper investigation. Income paradox. Surprisingly, higher income customers show greater attrition, suggesting potential dissatisfaction or misaligned expectations. Model limitations. An R-squared of 0.3854 indicates that while the model captures meaningful trends, additional factors influencing attrition remain unexplored. Final recommendations. Proactive retention. Deploy a real-time alert system to identify high-risk customers and deliver personalized incentives to encourage loyalty. Customer feedback. Leverage targeted surveys to uncover specific reasons for attrition and shape data-driven retention strategies. Personalized card matching. Recommend credit cards tailored to individual spending patterns to enhance relevance, satisfaction, and long-term engagement. Thank you. We appreciate your time and attention today. For any questions regarding the content discussed in this presentation, please feel free to contact us at group64@arizona.edu.